As you can see, our basted eggs are cooking. We put the lid back on and we can drop the heat just a little bit as we're cooking. We let them cook. You need to watch your eggs, okay? You can't walk away. You can't walk away or you're going to have an egg that has been hard-boiled. So we don't want to do that, right? Okay, unless you like your hard-boiled eggs basted. Anthony likes his runny. So we're going to make it runny. So now you take a look, and what we have is some beautiful basted eggs ready to go onto the plate with a balanced breakfast. Anthony has his stone fruit, his double fiber wheat toast, and there you go. Thanks for visiting us at Carpizzo's table. We really appreciate it. And subscribe. This is Pete. We'll see you later.